Is your phone speaker suddenly silent, muffled, or just plain refusing to cooperate? Let's fix it fast. First, grab a soft bristled brush, like a toothbrush. Gently brush the speaker grill to remove any dust, lint, or debris that might be blocking the sound. This simple cleaning can often make a huge difference. Next, double-check your volume settings. Make sure your volume isn't muted or set to low, and that Do Not Disturb mode isn't accidentally activated. Sometimes the most obvious solution is the one we overlook. Now, close any background apps that might be interfering with audio playback. Some apps can hog audio resources, preventing your speaker from working properly. Clear them all. If cleaning and volume adjustments don't work, try restarting your phone. This can resolve software glitches that might be causing the speaker issue. A fresh start can work wonders. Check for software updates. Outdated software can sometimes cause hardware malfunctions. Make sure your operating system is up to date. Hopefully, one of these quick fixes has restored your speaker to its former glory. If not, you may need to consider contacting a professional repair service for further assistance.